What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Fantom quickly. We're sitting at 159. We're sitting in market cap of 3.99 billion, 24-hour volume 644 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. Grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's start here on the 4-hour time frame. So we may be putting in a little bit of a double top pattern. We've had a huge breakout from the low here. Fantom has seen a huge pump, 59%. That's absolutely insane. So we have a little bit of a double top potentially forming. We're seeing one with Bitcoin as well. As you can see here, we've created a top and now we've come up and we've created a second top. So if we were to come down, where would be our neckline? Probably right around here is the neckline. If we were to come down and lose that neckline, could bring FTM back down here to about $1.41, which lines up pretty close with $1.37, which was our fifth entry. So just keep an eye on that pattern. If we start to lose about 153, you can see prices have been pushing up. Money is starting to flow out. So if we were to lose 153, then we can come all the way down to about 141. We're very, very close to our break even. We've had 6 entries so far. And currently we're only about 9-10% away, which is pretty exciting for our friend FTM. We broke out inverse head and shoulders. We met that target. Let's quickly pop over to the daily time frame. All right, exactly what we want to see. We broke out of our descending channel. In the last video, we were just testing it as resistance. I said it's crucial that we break out and especially that we hold the 20 EMA as support. So if we do see that pullback, we come back down to the 20 EMA, perfectly healthy. If we hold as support, we see continuation, we see the bullish cross, and we see a massive breakout to the upside. You can see we're hitting resistance on the 200 EMA, this red line here. So that's a crucial level as well. We are still quite high on the money flow, and that is usually when you see a move back down. So do keep a very close eye on that. Not always, but it is quite high. If we look at the weekly time frame quickly, we can see here we are still below the 20 EMA on the weekly, so we would need to break above that. Maybe we will form a little bit of a bull flag here. Maybe we'll form a little bit of a bull flag here on the weekly time frame. This would be ideal, maybe a little bit of bullish hopium here, but it definitely, if we see another week of consolidation, then we could form that bull flag on the weekly, take you to your point of breakout, could take you all the way back up to about 244. Of course, we have the bearish divergence on the RSI, the money flow that I've been covering, but you can hear more about that in my last FTM video. So that's basically it for this one. If we do see some pullback, oh, sorry guys, just gonna quickly take out my trend lines here. If we do see some pullback, just watch the 20 EMA. Currently, it's coming in at about 144. We'd also be back testing this descending triangle, this descending channel. So if we do come down, we see that back test, we bounce. That's exactly what you want to see for continuation up to the technical target of about $3.33. And just watch this little double top pattern. If it does break down, bring it down to about 141, which lines up perfectly with the 20 EMA. So big shout out to the Discord, over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You really can't beat it. We have the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, as well as buy and take profit zones for you to reference at your convenience. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.